In this video, I will show you how to copy Shopify store to another account. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to your Shopify store and log into your account. Next, what you need to do is come over to this menu on the left hand side, and what you want to do is go ahead and click onto products. From here, you're going to see all your currently listed products. So in this example, I've just got one product listed, which is this white t-shirt. Now, next, what you need to do from here is come up to the top right hand corner, and you want to go ahead and select export. What that's going to do is bring up a window like this, and you can choose whether to export the current page, all products, or just selected products. So for this example, I'm just going to select all products, and what you want to do is export this as a CSV. You want to make sure to select the top option for Excel, numbers, or other spreadsheet programs. Then what you can do is come down and click onto export products. So what this is going to do, as you can see, it says your export will be emailed to the email address which is linked to your account. So next, what you need to do is go across to your email and find that email from Shopify. As you can see, here is the email from Shopify, and you can see there is a download link here. So what you want to do is click this to download. And once that's downloaded, as you can see here, what you can do is come across to the store that you want to copy your Shopify store to. So here we are in my other account. If I come across the products on the left hand side, you can see I've currently got nothing on this shop. So what you need to do is click onto products on the menu on the left hand side. And what you want to do is you're going to see an import button here where it says add your products. You can see the import button. So just go ahead and click onto import. Then it's going to come up with a window like this. What you want to do is click onto add file. And what you can do is open up your downloads folder, and you should see the CSV file you've just downloaded. So what you want to do is double click onto this. That's going to add it just like this, and all you want to do is go ahead and press upload and preview. So once you've done that, it's going to give you a quick summary. As you can see, it says you will be importing approximately one product, and it's going to give you some details of this product. So what you want to do is come down and press the black import products button. As you can see, it says products importing down at the bottom, and it's just going to take a minute or two to do this. And if we now go ahead and refresh the page, and once the page has refreshed, as you can see, that's now been added to our new account. So that is how to copy Shopify store to another account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.